Dry erase paint for classroom makeovers. Back-to-school hacks teachers love. Use masking tape to create mini whiteboard sections with dry erase paint. Use easy-to-remove washi tape to create segments for small group task activities. The tape will hold up well without damaging your whiteboard painted surface. Washi tapes are decorative tapes made of rice paper that are available in many colorful and unique designs. Color code student tasks with marker bands. Wrap markers with colored tape to quickly assign tasks or subjects. You can use different colored dry erase markers wrapped with various colors of tape to code different teaching points, subjects, or activities. Studies show a link between color coding, students' memory, and their ability to focus on essential ideas and data taught in class. Turn students' desktops into personal whiteboards. Apply dry erase paint to students' desktops so they can do instant problem solving and other classwork. After getting the appropriate clearance, your school's maintenance crew can convert students' desks into durable whiteboard painted surfaces. There, the class can work on lessons, take notes, record their homework assignments, and do an endless variety of other tasks. Create student challenges with your whiteboard wall and sticky notes. Use your dry erase painted wall as a dynamic medium for creating challenge zones. A class functions better and a lot more learning occurs when students are operating in their so-called challenge zones. And well-designed and implemented academic challenges allow students to spend more time in these zones. Contact us today to transform your classrooms into interactive spaces where ideas flow freely and learning becomes limitless. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist. Or visit us at remarkablecoding.com.